Have you ever thought why we snore? Because something is keeping the air from moving freely through the passages behind our noses and mouths. Maybe we have bad sleep postures, or maybe we have put on weight, or have a sinus infection. Sometimes snoring is brought on by age. Whatever the reason, snoring can get loud. Do you know, once a woman snores loud enough to drown out the sound of a low-flying passenger plane? Maybe it would look like this. If you like this video, don't forget to support me. See you at next video. Stay tuned.